Hey everyone, today we're going to do a little unboxing. What are we going to unbox? I don't know. You guys are just going to have to unbox along with me and find out. So let's do this. Okay, so once we have the box opened up, or all the tape cut up, we got some styrofoam here. And then this is probably my receipt. And so it'll have my information like my address and other things. So I'm not going to probably show you guys that. And then it's a box within another box. Okay. But it seems well protected. And as you guys can see, or not maybe, right there, Hifiman. All right. Actually, it says right here, I don't know if you can pause that and read it for yourself. Attention recipient. So basically, that says that if I sign for the package, then I'm responsible for this thing, whatever is missing. But how am I supposed to know when it was this package was inside another package and I wasn't here to sign for it? Probably one of my family members did. So after we cut up some more tape, this box is pretty well protected. More styrofoam on all kinds of styrofoam all around the box. And then we even have bubble wrap right there. So that's very good. Very encouraging that whatever I got is well protected. So throw that aside and open up the bubble wrap. And so here it is. The Hifiman Sundara. So I'm probably very, very late to the party as far as doing a review on these headphones, the Sundara. I believe I have the revision. I should, like a, what do they call that? A stealth revision, where it's still Sundara. They don't have any version like 2 on it or anything like that. Supposedly, the only thing they changed was maybe improve upon the build quality and change the ear cups. So, looking at the box, you have a close up picture of the actual headphone, as you guys can see. And very nice touch here in the text, gold text. It says Sundara. So in the back or bottom of the box, however you want to look at it, you have all your specs, and then it says Hifiman Electronics contact information right there. There's a QR code for their Facebook, so you can pause all that, read it for yourself. On the sides, nothing much, just says Hifiman Sundara, Hifiman, and then Sundara again. So let's cut this tape so we can look at what's inside the box. Okay, so after cutting up the tape, just gonna lift. And the first thing we see is a warranty card, and then an instruction manual like this booklet. I don't know why it would be that thick, because it's pretty much plug and play, right? It's not a Bluetooth headphone. It doesn't have noise canceling or anything like that, but it's pretty nice. So the booklet is first a history of Hifiman's planar magnetics, and then a message from the founder, see Dr. Fang Bian, founder and CEO, and then headphone overview and things like that. And they probably give you information about the planar magnetics and technical data and things like that. So that's pretty cool. I'd be interesting reading if you're a geek like that, like I am. And then underneath this foam is the actual headphones themselves right here. You get the cable, which from every review or video and review I've read or watched, um, they tell you to replace the cables. So the cables have not gotten a good rep or whatever. Um, yeah, have not been favorable as far as with these headphones. Right on the end, the one end of the cable is your what is it? A 6.4 inch adapter or something like that, and the here is your 3.5 millimeter connector, and then another 3.5 millimeter connectors, dual connectors for left and right, your left and right side. So the headphone feels very light. I don't know what the quality is. If I were to just guess how the quality of this headphone is, probably say it doesn't feel like it's high quality. And then the headphone is like protected in this. There's like soft foam all around the headphone, and then it's also you have this. I'm not gonna say it's velvet or satin. It's just a nice cloth type of to give it good presentation over the what's actually inside, which is foam, lining up the box. And then here is the actual headphone itself, as you guys can see, and this is very nice. It has some pretty good weight to it, and the whole headband is, I believe, aluminum or aluminium, as others might say in other countries, and they feel cold to the touch. Even the ear cups right here are aluminum, and they're very cold to the touch right now because I haven't been using them yet. This right here is like pleather, fake leather, I believe. I don't think it's genuine leather. And then same thing with the ear cups. The ear cups have that artificial leather here on the outside, and then a softer type of like microfiber kind of on the inside right here. And they seem to have like ventilation on here. It feels like, or seems like, there's ventilation. And then there's some, you got a cloth or a microfiber liner inside covering your planar magnetic drivers. You can kind of see them right now, as you can see. And so if I get my little flashlight here, you can probably see the drivers right through the headphones itself. These are open back, so, and they probably are going to be the most open back out of all my headphones that I have, as you can see. Now the headband is a suspension system, so that's how that works. There's adjustments here, and they seem pretty solid. I think they fixed this part. This is one of the complaints that they have, but this feels like a very good quality headphone. I don't know why others are saying it doesn't. It feels, but it's all metal. The ear cups do not swivel. They do this, and that's pretty much it. There's no swivel, unlike let's say one of my favorite headphones at the moment, my Sivka wooden headphones. How the Sivkas can swivel this way, and they can do the same thing like the Sundara this way. And if you guys don't notice, they do have markings for left and right. As you can see, too much light. If I zoom in right on there, it says left and then right. So there are markings for your left and right side. And so that's pretty much it. I like this grill. If they feel very solid. The whole ear cups, the whole headphones feels very solid. It feels like a tank. Will it be as durable as my other planar magnetic headphones, my Fostex right here, my T20RP? I'm gonna say probably not. I don't know, but I love these. These T20RPs were my first ever planar magnetic headphones. So I want to do a comparison between these Fostex T20RPs compared to the Hifiman Sundara. And up to a time, these Sundaras were like $499 when they first came out, but now they're like $349. So definitely much more affordable. But the Fostex, when I bought these, they were like $169 with shipping or Prime. Well, actually, no, yeah, they were $169 with Amazon Prime free shipping, and this is $349, the Sundara. So you're looking at almost twice the price here with the Sundara. But does the Sundara give me twice the sound or two times better sound than the Fostex? So that's what I want to find out. That's what we're going to find out. So that is pretty much all I'm going to show you guys here for the unboxing, because now I'm going to start listening to these headphones and take them through a little burn-in. I from what I've read, they say like maybe 50 to 100 hours of burn-in time with the Sundaras before they really open up and start, sounding really good. Although any headphone you get, they should sound good out of the box, and the more you listen to them, the better they'll start to sound. But there are exceptions. My Bear Dynamics, my Custom One Pros, these things, when I first got these, I did not like how they sound. Not because they sounded crappy, but the volume I felt wasn't there. But then again, when I first listened to these, it was on a smartphone. And now that I have better things to listen to my headphones with, like a portable DAC amp and, a digital audio player, they sound way better. And yeah, I didn't like these at first because I thought they should have been louder, and I didn't feel like they had as much bass as I thought they would have. And that's what these headphones are known for, is you can customize the bass by these bass ports. But in the beginning, I felt it wasn't enough bass because I am a bass head, until I started just listening to these Custom One Pros more. So yeah, that is it. Stay tuned for the full video review. My take on these, my video review on how I like to do things, which means we're going to go into detail on pretty much everything, including Hifiman, the company, like their service and customer support and things like that. So that is it for this unboxing. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Everybody take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.